Hey guys, it's G, welcome back to another video. Now today, you've probably noticed that I look a bit different, but I really wanted to do a boss woman style of video. Ever since I've cut my hair short, and of course it's like short and black, I've definitely had this like, I don't know, this moment of feeling like I want to do more like empowering boss bitch vibes. Since we're in lockdown, well, the UK is in lockdown, I still work from home, and it's important to feel like you're killing it. You're working from home and you're still bossing the world and bossing your vibes. You've still got them boss vibes. So today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a boss woman get ready with me, how to get ready with me at home, and that's including my makeup. Of course, I mean, you guys know what I do with my hair. I just straighten it. It's pretty natural. And also as well, my outfit. So it's literally like makeup, hair, outfit. I do hope you enjoy. But before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please also check you're actually subscribed, because YouTube has been unsubscribing people from my channel and also many other YouTubers. Please, if you can check you're still subscribed. It breaks my heart to know that YouTube is doing this, and because this is my job and I care about it so much. You guys have no idea how much you mean to me, and I'm always grateful for everything. So if you can check, it would mean the world, because yeah, it's so bloody upsetting. I hope this video gives you guys some kind of like, I don't know, the push, the empowerment, and I hope it just gives you the motivation to keep going, because I know it can be so hard at the minute, especially with lockdowns and, you know, the pandemic still going on. So I love you guys, keep smashing it, and let's get on with this boss bitch vibe. Okay, so I'm actually starting off with this, and this is the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. This is what I use for my whole face. I'm literally going to show you guys how you can do a quick and easy makeup look if you're feeling a bit down and you need to pick me up. This, you literally need like this product, a bronzer and a blusher, and you're kind of good to go. So this is going to do my whole face, which we love that. Blend it on my eyes, because I always start with my eyes first, because once I get my eyes out the way, the whole like routine is so quick. I'm going to apply lashes just because I always do apply lashes. I feel more confident, I don't look as tired, but it's just what makes me feel good. So apply whatever you want to. If you want to wear lashes, you go, you do that, don't feel ashamed. Lashes that I'm going to be using today are the Unicorn Cosmetics Dark Matter lashes.
Dressing gown on.
What have you done to your hair?
So I went on a dog walk yesterday and I put it up in it was wet, wasn't it, because we got rained on.
It looks like you've had a perm.
It looks like a perm. Wow.
Were you trying to face that?
There's some Star Wars dressing here on.
I'm going to be taking the same thing that I did before, which is the Born This Way multi-use concealer. You can use this as a foundation, conceal, contour, highlight and retouch. I've been using this every day now for a month and I love it. I got sent it in PR and I didn't like realise how good it was until I tested it out, because I couldn't be bothered wearing foundation and concealer. Got the shade Vanilla, which matches me right now because I've not fake tanned in months. Don't need a lot of concealer. Like, as you can see, I don't have big bags or anything. Like, I have designer bags. No, joking. These are like Adster bags, maybe? M&S bags. Yeah, I'm gonna go from M&S bags. These are M&S under eye bags. Like, I can get away with wearing no concealer. I'm gonna go a bit on my nose because that's kind of where I always need it. My chin, I always need it the most. I've got a little bit of like redness here. I've always had it. And then again here. I just need to kind of conceal here the most and always here because these two problem areas, they always go red, which I hate. So again, I'm gonna do that. Boom. And kind of on my cheeks. This cheek isn't as bad, as weird as that sounds. I'm just going to take the excess in the top of the compartment area. I'm going to take a little bit on my forehead, not a lot, because again, I don't need a lot of coverage on my forehead. I've always been slightly darker under my left eye, so I just apply it there so I can just blend it out, and then just a little bit kind of like on my jaw. I actually take this brush, which I think I've used before. This is my favourite foundation brush. You've got like the fluffy side, and then you've got like more of a contour side, which I use for contour as well. And I just take a fluffy brush. It basically blends the product out, blends it better, which I love. When I get to my eye areas, I actually take this brush here, which is like a really tiny fluffy brush, and I just go under my eye just so I don't poke my eye out. That is literally the only reason I use a tiny brush. When I'm concentrating, I don't blink and my eyes water so much, and I've always done it. I'm a nightmare. I really am. Like, when it comes to makeup, I'm so aggressive with my face. I don't even think it's normal. I'm not even kidding. This is why I never became a makeup artist, because I'm so aggressive with my own face that I think I'd end up hurting people. I'm so bad. Just because I've had like a little bit of a breakout, not much, but a little bit of redness around my nose and around this side of my lip, and I just go round. Bloody amazing. Love that so much. That's like the boss bitch in me. I've not used a ridiculous amount. I've literally used one amount and even taken a bit of product off. So I've probably used like a doe foot for my whole face. It's covered the places I needed more coverage, but it's also made me look, you know, good and feel good. If I'm going for a powder bronzer, I go in with my Benefit Hoola Caramel. If I go in with a cream bronzer, I go in with this, and this is a Chantecaille gel bronzer. I think it's just called Radiance Gel Bronzer. I had a lot of questions when I used this in my last makeup look on Instagram. So yeah, this is what I use. I have a tiniest bit onto my brush, like smidge, like you don't need a lot. And then I basically stipple it. Sounds really weird, but I like to blend my bronzer up kind of more higher on my cheek rather than lower down, because I want my cheeks to look more like smiley, and I don't know, it just basically lifts your face a little bit more. And I always kind of end it here, which is like the middle of my face, and if I need to blend it, I'll just switch the brush to my foundation brush and then blend it. I'll just go in with bronzer on my nose to add more of the colour and the sun-kissed look. Just cleaning my nose ring. This is totally optional, but you can go in with powdered bronzer. I sometimes like to do it because it sets my face a bit more, but as you can see, like, I'm not glowy. I don't mind a little bit of a sheen. I definitely don't want to look matte and cakey or like dead, but it's got a slight sheen. But it, again, like, can you see how this foundation kind of flawlessly airbrushes your skin while still making it look like a satin finish, like it's not completely matte and cakey. I'm gonna go in with my Hoola Caramel bronzer. Love this. I love this bronzer so much. This is a trick that I mentioned before that I love to do. Now I just grab my bronzer brush, I tap it into my bronzer, and then, this sounds really weird, but I basically kind of taper it a little bit, and then I blend my eyeshadow with it. So I kind of blend it on my eye and then taper it up, so it just basically looks like a beautiful blush bronzy glow. I feel like it really blends everything together. It just looks really nice and I love it. I went through months of hating highlighter, like so much. I didn't like it. I didn't like how it looked on my face until I started using this. Now this is the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter. Basically their duo highlighter. One side of it is Me Money and one side of it is Hustler Baby. And Hustler Baby, like, honestly, this vibe. Actually received this when I did my sponsorship for Glossy Box and the Fenty Beauty limited edition box they did, and this came in it and I absolutely loved it. Like, I just love both of these. This one is much more of a subtle highlighter, and this one is like the little pop of glow that you need, so I kind of mix these two together. I love this one first and then I build this one up a little bit on top. I build it up on my nose, which is on my tip, and also kind of like the middle of my bridge. Now, kind of like the last step of my whole makeup look is mascara. I'm just going to apply my favourite mascara at the minute, which is the new L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. This is my favourite mascara I have used. The size and everything with this is just phenomenal. So, and I love the packaging. Like, the packaging is bougie. They're my own natural lashes, and that's what this mascara can do. So imagine using this on like your upper lashes. If you've got naturally long lashes, you're gonna love this mascara. It's so bloody good, and the fact it's drugstore and it's so cheap, love that. Can we just appreciate that? Like, what the hell? It looks like I've put bottom lashes on, and no honey, these are all natural. Now I am wearing lip balm, so it does help with the lip liner. If you do struggle wearing lip liner on your lips, apply lip balm at the start of your makeup and then kind of rub in the excess. I actually rub in the excess of my lip balm into my lips, and then basically I've still got a little bit of a residue on there, kind of, and then I actually go in with this lip liner, which is my favourite lip liner ever. The colour of this is perfect. It's like my new favourite natural coloured lip liner without it looking too much, and this is MAC Oak. Can someone please tell me why I didn't discover this sooner? It's like the most perfect shadow, if you get me. Like, it doesn't add colour, it just gives you a shadow, if that makes sense. So I basically just line my lips and then I whack a bit of lip balm on and I'm done. Beautiful. So sometimes I leave it like this, which is just like a plain matte lip colour, which I love, but sometimes I add a little bit of a gloss or a lip ointment. And once I've actually got ready, I always apply my rings. It's something that I always do. I do already have some on, which I do need to switch my hands, but I apply all of my jewellery. Like, this is something I do whenever I put makeup on and get ready. Once I do this, I just feel like, I don't know, even though I'm in lockdown, it feels good to feel nice. And once I've applied my jewellery, I of course, you know, do my outfit, and this is my outfit. Now this outfit is proper like boss bitch vibes, and this is like the whole reason of this video. Sometimes we all need to feel like that, and especially because some people like myself work from home, I think it's important to feel like a boss, you know, like feel like you've got the power. So I will actually show you guys my outfit right now. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me get ready with my makeup. This is the makeup that I wear every single day at the minute. I love it. Products that I swear by and I love, and also newer products as well. For once in my life, I'm not using the same products. And of course, the get ready with me part with my outfit and stuff. If you want me to do more videos like this more often, then definitely let me know, because I do love including my makeup part and of course like my jewellery and also the outfit, because I feel like I never do that. I think it's good to do that. Ever since I've cut my hair, it's definitely given me the whole like boss bitch vibes, like this short blunt hair with a shirt. It's definitely like a power woman move and I love it. So yeah, I'm actually gonna love you and leave you now. I've been filming for over an hour and a half now, which is pretty bad. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really, really helps. And also, please check you're still subscribed to my channel. I'm going to mention this quite a lot, but YouTube has been unsubscribing people from everyone's channel, and it's an issue at the minute. So if you can check, please, please, please check you're subscribed. And yeah, I'm going to love you and leave you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.